If you love playing games, don't even think of skipping this video. I will share the best online gaming apps in 2024 where you can actually earn money while playing. So it's time to elevate your games, or don't you think so? Well, first things first, welcome to Brand Chronicles. As you know, this video won't be complete without your likes and comments, so please remember to do so. Now, the first app on our list today is Mistplay. Mistplay is mainly for Android users. It rewards you for trying out and playing new mobile games. As you play, you earn points called units, which you can trade for gift cards from popular stores like Amazon, Visa, and Google Play. There are many different games to choose from, and using the app is free. Instead of winning cash right away, you earn points over time. Depending on how much you play, you can earn around $20 to $30 in gift cards each month. The next app is Bingo Clash. Bingo Clash is a fun game you can play on iOS and Android devices. In this game, you can join bingo tournaments to win real cash prizes. You can play for free using tickets you earn in the game, or you can pay to enter bigger tournaments with larger cash prizes. You can also take your winnings out using PayPal. With different game modes available, it's great for bingo lovers who like a bit of competition. You can earn around $100 to $500 a month, depending on how much you play. Moving further, we have the Solitaire Cube app. Solitaire Cube is available for both iOS and Android users. Here's the fun twist on this classic solitaire game. It allows its players to join paid matches or tournaments where they can win cash prizes. It's a great choice for solitaire fans who want to make money while playing. When you have $5 or more, you can cash out using PayPal or Apple Pay. 21 Blitz is the next gaming app you can earn from. It combines solitaire and blackjack, allowing you to compete against other players in real-time matches. You can join free tournaments or pay to enter some tournaments with bigger prizes. If you win, you can earn cash rewards, and you can make up to $500 a month. You can easily withdraw your winnings through PayPal or other platforms. Next is Dominoes Gold. With Dominoes Gold, players can compete in one-on-one Dominoes games or join tournaments to win real money. The app has a point system that rewards you with tickets based on how well you play. You can exchange these tickets for cash. Once you have enough tickets, you can easily withdraw your money to PayPal. Depending on how much they play and win, players can earn up to $200 or more each month. Bubble Cash is also another game app that you could earn from. The Bubble Shooter game lets you join cash tournaments where the goal is to score as many points as you can. If you do really well, you can win real money. Many players earn around $100 to $500 a month, depending on how much they play. You can easily withdraw your earnings using PayPal or Apple Pay. And that brings us to the next one, which is Lucktastic. Lucktastic is an app where you can play free digital scratch cards for a chance to win money and other prizes. It's like a lottery game, so it's all about luck, not skill. You can earn cash that can be redeemed through PayPal, and sometimes you might win gift cards or bigger sweepstakes prizes. You can earn around $5 to $25 a month, depending on how often you play and your luck as well. Moving on, we have Solitaire Clash. Solitaire Clash is a fun game where you can play solitaire and compete with others to win real money. Some games cost money to enter, but there are also free ones you can play. If you win, you can cash out through PayPal, Apple Pay, Venmo, or Visa. By playing regularly and winning, you could make up to $100 or more each month. Next is Blackout Bingo. In this Blackout Bingo game, players compete in skill-based matches that are timed. If you win, you can earn cash prizes. The game runs on the Skills platform, which is known for offering fair cash tournaments. You can withdraw your winnings through PayPal, but some cash games require an entry fee. The popular question is, how much can you earn? Some players report making around $50 to $100 per month if they play regularly and win consistently, but it really depends on your skill and how often you play. The last but not the least for this video is Pool Payday. This online pool game lets you play against other people where your skills really count. You can also enter tournaments for a chance to win real money. The money you win can be cashed out through PayPal. If you play regularly and win, you could make around $50 to $200 or even more each month. As you try out these gaming apps, remember to play responsibly and stick to your budget. Games are meant to be fun, not something that makes you worry about money. If you play smart, you could earn between $50 to $200 a month, depending on the app and how much time you spend playing. Don't forget to like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below. Have fun gaming. Bye.